Fixed?
Who knows?
Denny M535 now.
E61.
E6, Denny E61. We should rename you that. Nice, thank you so much for this. Anyway, so that's fixed. So I guess we need to make sure that this is yesterday's video. And today's video is with another James.
Hey!
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 Welcome back.
Cheers, man.
Yeah, we've done a video I think 2 years ago actually.
Yeah, it was that 2
years
years
ago. It was not last year. It was
no, yeah, 2 years ago.
It's been a while, but yeah, with this mini was quite spicy and very fast. Boosted boy, yeah. Turning 20. Rest in peace, Kyle. Yeah. Anyway, as the name of the car suggests, it's actually very boosty. Shall we look directly under the bonnet?
Yeah, come in.
What's on there?
Let's have a look.
Yeah.
What about trade secrets?
Yeah, some trade secrets. And it's very good and very nice. Look at this. Big boosty boy. Is it the same as last time?
Same as last time.
Yeah. A very nice heat wrap. And before we say anything, I need to say a massive shout out to everyone who has worked on this build, from mapping, from components and everything, because it pushes a lot of power. Right now we were running 370 at the wheels.
That's right, yeah.
It can go more, I guess.
Yeah, it can go more, yeah.
Yeah, but we don't need it.
No.
Not on track, because you're about to see that this is actually already as good as it gets. Or actually, if you go more, it's going to be undrivable. And this was very, very good. And everything stayed completely within temperature range. 100 on the oil, 90 on the water, so fantastic. And inside was also very okay. It was not too hot. I was not dying because the aircon was actually sort of working, so it was very, very nice. Yeah, walk us through the setup once again, quickly.
So we've got a W11 engine from a Mini Cooper S. It's got a fully forged and sleeved block. It's got a polished crank. It's got a new intake. It's got big GTX 2868 on the back. Custom side mount manifold, downpipe. What else has it got? Oh yeah, Pro Alloy intercooler radiator.
Yeah.
That's okay.
Yeah.
Header water tanks. Aluminium Pro Alloy as well.
You've done anything with the gearbox to keep all the power?
Yeah. So, yeah, you're right. It was 2 years ago because last year I actually blew my gearbox up. So this year it's a older Getrag gearbox from the first gen Mini.
Okay.
But with thicker fluid oil and obviously a quaif.
Yeah, nice. Yeah, you could feel it very good. One of the few times that I go out as a passenger, I don't mind doing that. I do mind it, as you will see, but I also don't mind doing that. So with the people that I know and known for years, and I've seen their driving, kind of trust it, and it's always nice to be terrified and impressed at the same time. It makes me feel how most of you guys are feeling or were feeling when I was taking passengers out. We still do it on track days, so for taxi, and we get the same expressions. But this, when it comes to the engine, very nice build. Once again, for me, it's one thing to build a high power engine, but then to be able to withstand the full lap of a Nürburgring. We had a few yellows, but we had a full climb of Kesselchen, so that's actually like the real testimony, the real proof. Tires, surprisingly, Air 1, because you said you tried CRS but had too much grip?
Too much grip, yeah, not enough rotation.
Yeah.
Like a bit of rotation.
Exactly, and that's what I often also say. You could put stickier tires on, but sometimes you just want to have less grip so you can give rotation, and with the short wheelbase front wheel driven cars, that's exactly what you want. So my man, you know exactly how to do stuff. You're a man of taste and knowledge. Brakes, anything?
Brakes are Pro Track.
Yeah?
Pro Race.
Pro Track wheels.
Pro Track wheels, no, they're Pro Race.
Pro Race.
Isn't it Pro Race?
Maybe. I don't know.
I'm chatting rubbish. PBS.
PBS, yes.
Yeah, Pro Race PBS.
Yeah, my man Chris, good job on the brakes. Shocks, we didn't mention those.
Meister R's.
Meister R's.
Yeah. 9 springs. The springs are 9 kg all round.
Yeah. You have aim dash.
Yeah.
You're running custom ECU.
Custom link, yeah.
Custom link with PDM and all kinds of things, but pretty modest on the rear. I like your like the shelf on the back. Very nice. Very cool.
I'm louder though. But,
yeah.
It was a show car before, so it was all show and shiny, you know.
Yeah.
That got boring.
Yeah.
The track's more fun, so
it is.
Strip it out, but keep a little bit of it, you know.
It is. No, thank you so much. Really enjoyed it. Happy we can make it happen.
Misha, man.
Enjoy flame spitting the rest of the weekend.
Hope you might see me out there.
Yeah, it shoots big flames. hopefully we can find something on Race Tracker, or maybe you have some
I've
picture.
got some videos.
Yeah, we can include that maybe as a thumbnail. People will love that. Alrighty, well, enjoy the lap. It was freaking epic. Alrighty, excited to feel out those 370 HP.
Yeah, at the wheels.
At the wheels.
Yes, at the wheels. Straight away.
Yep.
Straight away.
Oh well.
Can't be trusted.
Yeah.
Tires are warm though.
Do you have boost by gear?
Yes.
Yeah, you could feel that.
Yeah, third gear you got power, yeah?
Yeah. Nice.
Oh, there, look.
Yeah. And by the way, shout out to Draghy, because we cannot put the camera to the dashboards. That's why we have GPS layout. Use code Misha on godraghy.com for fantastic telemetry. Boost noise is not included. You have to build those your own. Nice. There you know if you can stay flat, the car is well set up. Watch out, it's an airport rental.
What?
It's an airport rental car.
Oh, yeah.
proper GT2. Freaking nice. So while it's yellow, great job on the build.
Yeah,
because we're pushing it halfway, full send, coolant temp 90, oil temperature 100. So whoever's done the build or the mapping or the cooling, fantastic job.
Yeah, shout out 2020.
And great driving as well.
Cheers, man.
You're driving fast where you can, but when there is traffic, you are very considerate and very. Oh, that's too much camber. It's very nice. Yeah. Oh, slow down. Sick car, sick driving.
Good luck. 2 yellows though, but
it's fine. It's like I was enjoying and being terrified at the same time.
Mission accomplished.
Yeah. No, because the car is well set up and you're doing like insane speed through corners. I'm thinking like, if you lift, we're dead. Like, just please don't lift. You're committed. You're doing great job, and you have very good throttle modulation. Because sometimes car like wheel spins, but you let it in the same wheel spin angle, and then when you say like, oh, okay, we're gonna make it, floor it more, straightens out. So very good car control.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
Super happy. Like,
I wanted to get you back out because obviously last time we did it, the gearbox was giving you a bit of trouble. We missed one gear just now, annoyingly, but. I want you to experience like the car as it's meant to be driven, you know?
Yeah, exactly.
I thought
super cool.
Hook you up and hope you're free.
As I was saying, that the setup of the car is good. The other thing that noticing, we're running aircon, I think, sort of.
Yeah, sort of. Yeah.
Yeah, but we do not need to run heater on to keep the engine cool. No, it's amazing because it's warm day. It's not hot, but it's warm, and I'm not dying from heat.
No, it's fine.
Very nice, like very well sorted build. Like Possibly the best Mini so far.
Yes, come on.
Yeah. Really, really good.
Yeah,
really
it worked.
nice.
This was the final stage, really and truly. I had issues last time with running higher power because of the fuel pump.
Let's get off here.
So the fuel pump wasn't giving enough fuel. So
Yeah.
my tuners found a fuel mod, and yeah, that's helped us now massively with getting more fuel through the system. And yeah, the car just runs sweet now. So I can run more power,